Hi guys, welcome here, Ben James again for another video. A little bit about affiliate marketing and making money online. Just back for another video just to talk to you about affiliate marketing isn't as hard as what people make it out to be, and it shouldn't be. Um, it's actually quite a simple process, and you need to really take on board some of the right advice when it comes to affiliate marketing, because there's a lot of stuff out there that does tend to complicate the issue and confuse the issue. Basically, affiliate marketing, if you're brand new to this whole idea, is just selling other people's products. It's just selling other people's products. That's all it is. So you're online and you're marketing other people's products. You're putting them in front of other people. And how you're doing that is a variety of different ways. You can pay for traffic to come to go to the website, the affiliate site, or the page that you have set up as well. Your opt-in page. You have paid traffic or free traffic. Okay, within that, there's a whole scope of stuff. And I focus a little bit on paid and free because it's good to utilize some of the free stuff. And I will say this: the free traffic that comes to your websites is initially a lot slower to get started, and but over time it does build up. I just started another list not too long ago, a couple of months ago, and I've built up nearly 1,000 subscribers here. Got some added today, added yesterday, um, and they're working through, some of my emails and um, offers and strategies that I've got, and tips and stuff for them, how to make money online. And some of those customers ended up buying on the front end, some of them end up buying on the back end. It really depends on what offer you're doing. You could be in the health niche, you could be in the make money online niche, you could be in the relationship niche. These are all the areas where you can set up, selling other people's products. You can have an e-commerce site which sells all sorts of personal items, t-shirts, jewelry, watch, all sorts of stuff. And there's programs out there that help set you up, and you can be affiliate for them and sell that on-sell that to other customers. So they can set everything set up automatically, and they can make money in the background. But what I want to do is just pull away the curtain and just show you just a few simple strategies that you can get started today on affiliate marketing. But just before, I'll just quickly go to my account here. I've got a test account that I use just for doing some different different offers that I do with inside of Clickbank. Clickbank affiliate market there, and I'll just show you there. Just in the last week or so, there's $1,000 already in that account. So just to show you that I'm not BSing. There's money to be made, and you can make it if you want to, and if you know how to do the right way online for affiliate marketing. So let's dive in. So I'm assuming that you guys have got an autoresponder. I'm hoping you've got an autoresponder. If not, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Number one, you can make some money by sending the people to the affiliate site. And let me just go here to the marketplace before you for everything. Let's go to let's just click on here, and we'll just bring up. So this is Clickbank for users that don't know, but I know a lot of you watching this should be familiar with this. And this is a digital marketing online marketplace. So you can sell mostly digital products here. People upload them. People join coaching programs. People buy information to solve their problems, to overcome their challenges, to learn, to educate themselves in all sorts of niches. Okay, arts and entertainment, betting systems, make money online, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment, green products, health and fitness, another big, self-help and dating and all that kind of stuff is within there. So you can come here and just simply click promote on that product and grab your affiliate link, and there it is there, and away you go. Okay, but to drive traffic straight to that is not efficient. Now, will you get some sales? Yes, you can get some. I've proven that you can get some sales, but you need to drive a lot of traffic to it. The average conversion rate to straight to the page is only about 1 to 2%. So that's why you need a bridge page, a bridge page before people land in your product, so they can opt in to find out a little more information about it. Then they are redirected to an affiliate page. Okay, and that way they get logged into um, your autoresponder account, and that way you can send them all your follow-up emails just to make sure that they're getting followed up with some of those offers. And not only that, they've found the offer, and you're helping them with some tips as well about that health product, about that make money online product, about that dating product, whatever that is for you. You need to be collecting emails, and what I do is I use ClickFunnels, which is a fairly popular one. I know there's other programs out there, but I would highly suggest that you use ClickFunnels, and it's so user friendly, guys. If you've never done this, there's tutorials on here. There's all sorts of stuff. So basically, what you can do is come inside your ClickFunnels account, and whoops, that one's not on at the moment, so that's okay. I'll just get this over here. And you can make some pages, and I'll just go into this for the sake of the exercise. You come in here and create just a single opt-in page for your offer. They're very easy to do. You can just create new elements, change anything here, click into it and change it, make money tonight. You know what I mean? And you can change everything like that. And you can add pictures in here, videos. There's all sorts of templates inside there that you can choose from. Put your headline in, put a picture of the product, and then your email. And this is where your email autoresponder is connected through here, through a piece of code through here. But it's very easy. In fact, you can just connect automatically, and it will do that by selecting the right one. So you connect that up with your autoresponder. People come through your page, you advertise. This is the page you want. You don't necessarily need a website domain name, but you can have. I would highly recommend that you put your web pages under a domain. You can go and buy a domain for $8 or $9 or $12. Last you a year, and that's really easy. Namecheap.com. And come to ClickFunnels and sign up. There's a 14-day free trial, which there'll be a link in my description. And by the way, folks, if you feel like you're getting some value out of this, and please comment, like and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing out more videos in the future about affiliate marketing, how you can just give you some really good tips around it, how to get started. Maybe you're just getting started, you just want to make your first sale. Now, this is for the semi-advanced marketer. You can go through, create your pages, get set up properly, get people onto your list, and then go and promote them through groups on Facebook. Go and find some groups on Facebook. There's a group there that I kind of get into sometimes, JV Zoo Partners, and just post some value on there. Post some stuff about and make sure it's a group that's in your niche. If it's a dating niche, if it's a relationship one, if it's a product that's doing a health product, make sure you're in the proper group. Search for groups around health and weight loss and all sorts of things. Now, you'll have to join these groups and get permission, but once you've got your one-page website up, you can send them. They might ask you for a website. If they do, you can send them that page. And get in there and post some stuff about some tips around it and all that. Don't just plaster and spam your link in there or affiliate links in there, because Facebook won't like that and they'll probably kick you out of the group. Now, this is a quick, free way that you can get started to drive people to your money page or to your main opt-in page. You can go into ClickFunnels and join up for the 14 free day trial, like I said, and then after that, it's around about the $97 a month, which guys, to create these pages, as many as you want, is really quick and easy. There's plenty of lessons within ClickFunnels, and I can certainly help give you a bit of a pointer as well through the process, especially if you end up clicking on one of my links there and purchasing one of the products, or taking me up on one of the products below. In fact, if you enjoy ClickFunnels now, what I'll do, if you enjoy ClickFunnels through one of my links below and the 14 free day trial, I will personally help you. You just need to reach out to me on here on YouTube and give me an email, and I'll be in touch, and we can make a connect, or reach out to me on Facebook as well, Ben James. there and just say, hey, Ben, I got the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. I'd love you to help me set up my first site. Here's my affiliate link that I want to promote. And we'll work together and we'll help you get that set up. And if you're having any issues, questions, and all that. So I'm willing to do that for you to help you. But you have to get the link through my YouTube video because I think that's fair. I'll give you some value and some help if you go through that link of mine. So yeah, guys, you need this set up. You can send directly to the affiliate link. But like I said, you know, a lot of these links they look a bit nasty, and you can go to Bitly, and you can certainly go to bitly.com, create an account. If you really can't afford to do all this, log in. I think I've got an account here somewhere, and you know, paste your link in there. Paste your link in there and shorten it down so it doesn't look so ugly. You could even go so far as naming it whatever you want there, customizing that name. So then you've got a link over here that says something about fitness and health or 10, you know, $1,000 a day online or something like that. And you can copy that and paste that in areas. So there's a free strategy straight to Facebook. You can do that, but again, I would recommend getting a pitch page, an opt-in page first if you're going to do that. Or you can make up a page here with a bit of a preview about the product, and they click a button, and under that button, if you don't want to send up an email autoresponder, which I highly suggest you do because long term that's where your money is. But if you want to just set up a basic clear page there with information about the product name, maybe you find a review on the product, you print that out, maybe you do a short video. And on that button there, you can add a link to the affiliate, and you can pop your affiliate link in this button. Go to website URL. Once you click on that, I'm not going to do that now. It'll upset me a funnel. It'll drop down box, and you copy and paste your Bitly link in there. Or you can copy and paste your affiliate link straight into it here, and away you go. And people can read down the page. You can make this page as long as you want about everything about what that maybe it's a review about the health product, maybe it's a view, and you can do a video as well. If you don't want a video, just do pictures and text. A lot of these sites have their own JV sites where they give you some marketing materials to actually find out about the product. And make that page up. At the very least, this will cost you nothing for 14 days. Make up a page, do that, grab a domain. At the most, it'll cost you $12, and then go with that link and go and find some groups on Facebook. Talk about something, grab some information off the affiliate product site, some value, add some value to these groups about how losing weight's really important, and or whatever niche you're in about making money online, and some of the pitfalls and some of the things you can pick up from some of these. You can learn heaps of stuff inside these affiliate marketing products. There's so much inside there. Look at that: email swipes, affiliate links, keywords, headlines, add headlines, and you can just sort of scale through this and look at some of these headlines, and then go and Google them and get some information on that product and list them on the page and make it nice and make it readable. And then on the bottom, if you want to learn more about this, please go and see the video right now, a live video right now, or a live webinar, or a presentation on this product in more depth. Give me access now. And on that is your affiliate link, and they get taken to that page, which is your Bitly link or your Clickbank link. And they get taken straight to that page once they hit on that, and they go bang. It's all about the green veggie diabetes type 2. So that may be your niche. Okay, so it doesn't have to be that hard, guys. Now, that's a free method. The other method is YouTube. You can get on YouTube and make videos, just what I'm doing. You don't have to show your face on camera. You can just have your screen like this, and you can get your page up and talk about the value about this product that you're about to sell, and some of the ins and outs what you've done. And you can do all this for free, and then people can watch your video and put your link. What you do is you would tell people to go to your link in your video, and you would put your Bitly link in your video because it looks a little bit better than a big log-only link like this. And maybe you offer someone a bonus if they click on your link. Maybe you can help them initially, support them in the first 14 days, or something with the product that you can help them with. So add some value, folks, when you're doing affiliate marketing. Don't spam your link everywhere with no value. You've got to add value and help people, and generally want to help people, and you will make some sales. But ideally, you want an autoresponder set up for long term. But if you want to get out there and just make some and blast your affiliate link anywhere, you'll get the very odd random sale. But I want to assure you that making a page, adding some value, you doing a video if you need to, getting online, you can start creating that momentum in your business by putting videos up on your channel, by being active in some Facebook groups and adding value there and linking some of the YouTube videos back to your Facebook groups. Okay, so there's a little few tips on affiliate marketing. It doesn't have to be that hard. In the nuts and bolts of it, it's pretty easy. You're recommending other people's products, so get on there and recommend it. And how can you recommend it if you don't know nothing about it? So do your research on some of these products. Do your research on what you're promoting. And again, maybe it's Clickbank for you. Maybe Clickbank is, a place you can start. There's some other places that you can get onto. I think Max Web or another one. And just type into Google some the most popular affiliate program networks out there, or the marketplaces, and go through them. But this is probably easiest to get started with and start making some sales. But it takes work like anything. So I want to encourage you. I hope you got something out of this today. I hope that there's value that I've been able to help you with. Again, reach out to me if you click through the link below, ClickFunnels, and I'll help hold your hand through that process. And be sure to check out too, guys. I've got some free training there. I'm partnered up with another guy who's a 7-figure affiliate marketer, a really great guy. And yeah, check out the website there. Both of us have set this up, but he's got some free training on the back end. All you do is sign up, and it's free training for about 3 or 4 days, and it'll give you some really great insights. And if you want to take it even further and join into the coaching and mentoring program and get the same results as Zach and I are getting in our businesses, then you're welcome to apply to a join, and there'll be further information about that too. But check that out as well as ClickFunnels if you'd like. Thanks again for listening today. I really hope that you can get your first sale or get some value out of this and go on and take action, more importantly. Okay, thanks again, guys, and we will see you on the next video. I can get out of here.